If you own a business and you have multiple cars that your employees drive, these are the top 3 reasons why you need to have dash cams in them. The first reason is if your employee gets into an accident and it's not their fault, then it's going to prevent them from getting fired, or vice versa. I actually have a case where the employee tried to lie even though there was a dash cam and they said it wasn't their fault. If you have a dash cam, it's going to show whether your employee did something wrong or not. Number 2, if you have the footage of the dash cam showing your employee did nothing wrong, you send it right to your insurance company. They're not going to skyrocket your premium or drop you. Number 3, businesses have commercial policies, and usually commercial policies carry much more coverage. That sometimes can attract personal injury attorneys. If you have a dash cam and it shows your employee did nothing wrong, it prevents attorneys from coming after your policy. This year, our goal is to give away dozens of dash cams to business owners just like yourself. So if you find yourself in need of a dash cam for you and your employees, follow the Dash Cam Lawyer.